yesterday we have seen exercise 6.4 first sum. Today we are going to see second sum. Shall we recall the sum which we have done yesterday? Any one problem? Suppose let us take 4, 4, 8, 9. Let us recall this. So, how will you make a pair from the right corner? Two numbers. Now, 44, whether it's a perfect square or not, you have to check. 5 5 are
No,
36,
ma'am. 36, ma'am. 6 6 are.
36, 7 sevens are 49. So 7 sevens are 49 is greater than 44. So let us write 6 6 are 30.
36.
So balance how much? 8. This becomes 14. I want to do in that manner. Huh? You all know, no? 14 minus 6 is 8. Now bring this 89 down. Whatever we have on the quotient, that we should multiply by 2. So 6 2s are what? 12. So you have to think of a digit here as well as here. So together with this number, we have to multiply this number. So we have 9 here. So if we are writing 3,
49.
3 3s are 9. But 3, if you are multiplying 123 by 3, you won't get the answer. So let us check by 7 because we have here 8, no. So let us check by 127 into 7. 7 sevens are 49 balance 4. 7 2s are 14 plus 4, 18 balance 1. 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 1, 8. So 127 into 7 is nothing but 8, 89. Remainder is 0. Therefore, square root of 4489 is nothing but 67. Is it clear, children? Any doubt? Very important concept. You will be getting this model in 10th standard also in chapter 2 polynomial. It will be you have to solve a polynomial in 10th standard, but same model. Now you are getting number, there you will be getting variables. That's all. That is the difference in 8th and 10th math. Okay. So now, suppose if any problem is given like this. How will you do this? These two numbers, and this number separately. Okay, 2 separately. Now 2 is not a square number. So lesser than 2, 1 ones are 1. Can you see the screen? Can you see the
Yes,
screen?
ma'am.
Yes. Now bring this 72. 72 is a square. Yeah. Now 1 should be multiplied by 2. This should be multiplied by 2. So 1 2s are 2. So check whether it is a square number or not. If it is not a square number, then lesser than this we have to find out. So suppose if I write 6, what happens? 6 6 are 36, balance 3, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3 15. We are getting 156. So let us check with 7. 7 sevens are 49, balance 4. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 4 18. 189. So this is not possible. So we have to write only 6. Here 6, here also 6. So how much? 156. 156. Now let me rub this. Now again, we have to proceed further. So let us proceed further. 12, if we, this becomes 12. So 12 minus 6 is nothing but 6. This becomes 6. 6 minus 5 is nothing but 1. Now let us bring the next pair to 5. Again, we have to multiply the 16 into 2. We got 16 on the 16 when we multiply by 2, what happens? It becomes 32. It becomes 32. Now one's place is 5, so let us check with 5. Here also 5, here also 5. So 325 into 5. What is 325 into 5? Check it. 5 5s are 25, balance 2. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12, balance 1. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1, 16. So we got 1625. So the remainder is 0. So square root of 27225 is nothing but 165. Square root of 27225 is nothing but 165. Okay, children. So in this model, you have to proceed. Whatever number they have given, same way you have to solve it. Okay. This is the procedure. First, you have to make a pair. Suppose if you are having a 5-digit number, how will you make a pair? 5-digit number. You Take a 5-digit number 3 in a 7025 like this. How will you make a pair? 2, 5, 1 pair. 0, 7, 1 pair. Then 3, 1 pair. Clear? Clear all of you? Suppose 6 digits.
Clear, ma'am.
2, 5, 0, 6, 3, 9. Is it clear, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Two numbers you have to 5 names having one digit, then that digit can as a single digit itself. 3-digit number. 3-digit number, how will you do? These two one pair and this 9 alone it will come in one pair. Okay, 9 alone will be left out. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose two digits 64 is simply 64. Okay. Check with 144. 144, how will you do 144? 44 and 1. 1 ones are 1. Remainder 0. So bring this 44. Quotient is 1. Multiply by 2. So 1 2s are 2. We need 4 in the ones place. So 2 2s are 4. Now what is 22 into 2? 44. 22 should be multiplied with only 2. Okay, 22 should be multiplied with only 2. So 22 into 2 is 44. Remainder 0. Square root of 144 is nothing but 12. Is it okay, children? Now you are thorough with the procedure. Who is ready to give the
Yes, ma'am.
procedure? Somebody, can you say the procedure for square root by division method? What is the first step? Can you say the who is willing to say the procedure for finding the square root by division method? Anybody willing? Who is willing? What's the first step you will do? Whether it's right or wrong, don't bother. Please come forward with the answer. I'll help you. Who is ready? What is the first step? If any number is given, what will you do first? How will you make a pair? How will you make a pair? Tell me. Who is ready? Sivaganesh. 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 Sivaganesh, are you there?
Ma'am?
Yes, Sivaganesh. I'll give you an example. Just tell the procedure. Okay, Sivaganesh.
Okay, ma'am.
How will you make a pair? What is the first step?
Ma'am, first 36 and 31 are the pair. Two pair. 36 one pair,
Okay,
31 one.
okay. Very good.
Ma'am, 5 5s
Then
are
what will be the
25.
next step? 6
Ma'am,
6 are
5 5s are
36. So
25.
36 is greater than this. Oh, so first, second step is after making a pair, you have to check whether this one is a square number or not. If it is not a square
Yes,
number,
ma'am.
then you should go for the next least square number. Next.
Okay. Ma'am, we have to
Then
25. Ma'am, we have to
we have
minus,
to
ma'am.
subtract. Subtract.
Ma'am,
Then
6.
say, very good. Then what is the next step? What is the next step?
Ma'am, next we have to multiply the 5 into 2, ma'am.
No, before that, you have to bring the next pair down. No.
Yes, ma'am. 3.
Then we have to multiply this quotient. What quotient we have got now? 5.
Ma'am, 5, ma'am. 5 into 2, 10, ma'am.
So here we have got 1's place 6. What are all the possible 1's place 6 in a square number?
Ma'am,
4,
4,
4,
ma'am. Ma'am, 4.
4 4s are 16. Then 6 6 are
Ma'am, 6 6 are
36.
36, ma'am.
If you write here 4 and here 4, will you get the answer? Check 104 into 4, will you get 636?
No, ma'am.
You won't get. So what is the next possible value? 6.
Ma'am, 6.
Here 6 means what is 106
Ma'am,
into 6?
624 coming, ma'am.
6 6 are
Ma'am,
36.
we have to put 624.
6 into 0 0. No. 6 into 0 0 0 plus 3 3. 6 ones are 6. So if we write 6 here, we are getting 636. So that the remainder is 0. So square root of 5 1 sorry, 3136. 3136 is nothing but 56. Is it clear, all of you? First
Ma'am.
step, we have to make a pair. First step, we have to make a pair. Then second one, for the first pair, whether it is a square number or not, you have to check the second step. If it is a square number, you write that number, or else you have to write the square number which is lesser than the given number. Then you have to find the remainder, bring down the next pair, multiply the quotient by 2. Then after that, what will you do after that? You have to check whether what is the ones place. So what number, what digit if you write on the left side as well as the quotient. When you multiply the number together on the left side with the newly written, those two, is the answer reminder or not, that you have to check. So after that, if it gives a reminder 0, square root, that quotient will be the square root of the given number, or else still you have to proceed further to get the remainder as 0. So this is the procedure for finding a square root by division method. Now, what we are going to do, second one, find the number of digits in the square root of each of the following numbers without any calculation. So you take first, see, without any calculation, they are asking only number of digits. They are not asking the exact answer for the given question. They are asking how many digits are possible. Okay, so find the number of digits in the square root of each of the following numbers without any calculation. For that, there is a formula. So if the given digits n is even, then number of digits in the square root. The formula for number of
64
digits
has
in the
2
square
digit,
root
ma'am.
is number of digits in the square root will be n by 2. If n is even, the formula is n by 2. What is n? Number of digits. Here, how many digits? 2 digits. It is a 2-digit number, isn't it? 64. 64 is a 2-digit number. So n is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So number of digits is what? 1. After finding the square root, your answer will be a single-digit number. So what is square root of 64? 8 is a 64. Answer is 8. 8 is a
8, ma'am.
single-digit number, no?
Yes, ma'am.
8 is a single-digit number. What is the answer, children? How many digits will be there in the square root of the given number? So, if n is even, the formula is n by 2. Suppose if n is odd, if the given question has 3-digit number or 5-digit number, then the formula is n plus 1 by 2. N plus 1 by 2. Suppose if 3-digit number is given. For example, take 225. This is a 3-digit number. That means formula is n plus 1. So 3 plus 1 by 2, which is 4 by 2. Answer is 2. So when you take square root of this, you will get a 2-digit number as an answer. Because square root of 225 is nothing but 15. 15 is a 2-digit number. Okay. For example, I am giving the answer, but you have to find out only this one. Now let us go to the first sum. See the first sum. 64. How many digits? 2 digits. N is 2. So what is the formula? Formula is n by 2.
N by 2.
So number of digits in how much? 1. Number of digits in the square root is equal to 1. Okay, after taking square root of 64, you will be getting the answer as a single digit number, 1-digit number. Now 144. Tell me for 144. N value, what is n value? 1, 2, 3.
Sorry,
3-digit number. Yes, tell.
N by 3.
If n is odd, what is the formula? If n is odd, what is the
n plus
formula?
1 by 2, ma'am.
Ma'am, n plus 1, ma'am. So 3 plus 1, ma'am. 3 plus 1 divided by 2, ma'am. 3 plus 1 by 2, ma'am. Answer is 2, ma'am.
So the answer is 2. So finally you should write the number of digits in the square root of 144 is 2 is equal to 2. Therefore number of digits in the square root of 144 is equal to 2. Joshua give the answer for third sum.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the number of digits? How many digits in the question?
Ma'am, 4.
4 is even number or odd number?
Even.
So n by 2, which is 4 by 2. What is the answer? What is the answer, Pa?
Ma'am, 2.
So number of digits in the square root of 4489 is nothing but 2. Therefore, finally you should write for that half mark is there. Number of digits in the square root of 4489 is equal to 2. Like this you have to write the answer finally. Okay children? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Girls
ma'am.
side, girls side, please somebody come forward to give the answer for fourth subdivision. Girls side, please. Anybody else?
Ma'am, still
Girls? Yes. How many digits, ma? The question has how many digits? How many digits?
ma'am 5.
Who is that? Yes. 5. 5 is what number? Odd number. For odd number, what formula? N plus 1 by?
Odd number.
Yeah. So n is
N
what?
plus 1 by 2 is equal to 5 plus 1 by 2 is equal to
What is
6
the
by
answer?
2 is equal
Mm.
to 3.
Yeah. Number of digits in the square root of 27225 is equal to 3. 27225. Square root of 27225 is 3. Is it okay? Clear all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can anybody say the answer for
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, shall I?
fifth subdivision?
Ma'am, shall I?
Ma'am, shall I?
Shall I? Who is that shall I?
Ma'am, Ragapriyan.
Who is that shall I?
Shall I?
Ragapriyan already gave.
Ma'am, Harish Joshua.
Somebody give the answer.
Ma'am, I, ma'am.
Okay. 390625. Okay, Patel.
Ma'am, this number has 6 digit, ma'am.
Joshua,
6 digit, ma'am. So,
who is giving the answer? Vaishaliya. Others can send the answer to me. Who is giving the answer now? Who is giving the answer?
Ma'am, 5.
Okay, give. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N value is 6.
6 by 2.
6 is even.
15.
Yeah. So what is the answer?
Ma'am, 3.
They will ask in 1 mark, children. Don't expect this in 4 mark and all, okay? This they may ask in 1 mark. Number of
Okay, ma'am.
in the square root of 390625 is equal to 3. Number of digits, possible number of digits, how much, ma? 3. Okay?
okay,
Is
ma'am.
Okay. Now we are going on to another important. See all the 5 subdivisions of second sum. No homework side. You have to do in the
Yes, ma'am.
homework because everybody knows this question. It's a very simple and easy question. So if n is even, the
Okay,
formula
ma'am.
is n by 2. If n is even, the formula is n by 2. If n is odd, the formula is n plus 1 by 2. And what is meant by that n? Number of digits in the given question. How many digits are there in the given question? That you should check. Is it clear for you? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. No doubt, ma'am.
No doubts, no? Okay. Nefred, okay, pa? No doubt, no? 8th B children, please answer my question. Always 18 students are giving.
No doubt.
No doubt, ma'am.
No doubt, ma'am. Now shall we move on to the next important concept? Find the square root of the following
Okay, ma'am.
decimal number. So in the first subdivision, it is a number which does not have any decimal number at all. But now we are going to find out the square root for decimal numbers. So same procedure, but little bit. See, listen. When you check third sum, 2 2.56. Find the square root of the following decimal number. So a decimal number is given. What is the procedure for a number which is not a decimal number? For that, what will you do? Suppose if you have 256, then what will you do? These two make a pair and this number will come in one pair. Suppose if it is a decimal number, no, what will you do? Suppose if there is a decimal point here, for that one slight change, children, only one slight change is there.
Ma'am,
Forming a
from
pair.
left side we have to go, ma'am.
For a number which is having part, see, listen.
Decimal.
This, this is called as the integral part, and this is called as a decimal part.
Ma'am, in two side part, ma'am.
Wait. So for integral part, as usual procedure, from right to left, you have to form a pair. Right to left. Here only one number, so that number comes in one pair. But for decimal part, you have to make an arrow from left to right. Left to right, two numbers. Arrow should be like this. Okay, here only two numbers, so that two numbers are forming a pair. Okay, so for decimal part, left to right. For decimal part, left to right. Okay.
Left to right.
For integral part, right to left. For integral part, right to left. I think somebody is talking behind. Who is that? Some parent. All of you, please mute. So for integral part and decimal part. Integral part, what is the arrow? How will you make a pair? From right to left for integral part. That is the usual procedure which you have done in the first sum. For decimal part, left to right. See here, for decimal part, left to right. For integral part, right to left. Two numbers will make a pair. If there is only one number, then that one number comes under that pair. Okay, clear? Clear? Shall we do then? Then as usual procedure one.
Ma'am.
Shall we do? Okay, now let me move on to the question. As I said, for integral part, right to left. For decimal part, left to right. So this is only single number present. This is a square number or not, you have to check. So let me give the statement for that. See, put bars, square root of decimals. Square root of decimals. Put bars on the integral parts of the number in the usual manner. For integral part, usual manner. And place bars in decimal. Place bars in the decimal part of digits beginning with the first decimal place. Proceed as usual to find the square root. Then proceed. For decimal part, you have to place bars from every pair of digits beginning with the first decimal place. Beginning from this one. First decimal place, this is the first decimal place and this is the second decimal place. So you have to proceed from left to right for decimal part. So this is the procedure. Then what will be the next step? 2 is a perfect square. No, it is not a perfect square. So lesser than 2, which is a perfect square number? 1 ones are 1. Then 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. Then you are having a decimal point. So in the answer also you keep a decimal point. Or else without decimal point also you can solve. And finally also you can keep a decimal point. Let us do by this way. Then I'll tell you that procedure. Now what will be the next step? You have to bring this 56 down. Now what number you have here? 1. 1 should be multiplied by 2. If we need 6 in the ones place, what are the possible digits to write here? 4 4s are 16. Then 6 6 are 36. 4 4s are 16. Then 6 6 are 36. So which number shall we write here? 24 into 4 you check. 4 4s are 16. Balance 1 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. No. Then 26. Sorry, 20 into 6. 6 6 are 36, balance 3. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3, how much? 15. So you are getting how much? So what number we have here? 6. Here also 6, there also 6. So in 26 into 6 is nothing but 156. Remainder is 0. So square root of 2.56 is nothing but
1.6.
yeah. It's nothing but 1.6.
Ma'am, next
So
shall I
as
tell?
usual procedure only the okay. Who is
Ma'am,
ready?
Raghav
Who
Priyan.
is ready? That shall I? Always Raghav do the answer.
Ma'am, shall I?
Raghav, you are an intelligent chance for others also. Netra Marlan.
Ma'am, shall I? Hi, ma'am.
Next chance.
Ma'am, shall I? Ma'am. Ma'am.
Joshua. Joshua.
Ma'am.
Yes, Joshua. Give the answer.
Ma'am, shall I?
Dave, who is that shall I?
Yes, ma'am.
Joshua, give the answer,
Yes,
pa.
ma'am. I know. Harish Joshua. Yes, ma'am.
Make a pair. 7. Right to left, left to right. Integral part, which side? Right.
Ma'am, left to right.
Integral part, right to left.
Left to right. Left to right.
Decimal part,
Left to right.
okay. Now, 7 is a square number. 7 is a
No,
square
ma'am.
number. No, lesser than 7. 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 2 are 9.
Ma'am, 4, 2 or ma'am 4. Ma'am 29.
Then, say quickly. 2 multiplied by 2 is what?
6. 4. Ma'am 4.
9. How will you get 9? What are the possible digits? 3 threes are 9. 7 sevens are 49.
Ma'am,
Ma'am
7,
3
ma'am.
3s are 9. 7
Ma'am,
ma'am.
7.
47 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. Balance 4. 7 fours are 28 plus 4 32. So 329. Answer 0. So what is square root of 7.29?
2.7.
2.7.
Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Tomorrow
No,
do
ma'am.
we children, tomorrow do we have 2
Yes, ma'am.
periods?
Yes, ma'am.
Please check.
Yes, ma'am. Thursday we are having 2
Yes.
periods only, ma'am.
So shall I conduct exercise 6.4 first question and second question test tomorrow?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So what is today's task? You should complete question number 2 in homework side and question number 1 fully and question number 2 fully test. Tomorrow morning class I'll conduct test. I'll send you the question. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Have to upload. Please upload
Okay,
before
ma'am. Okay,
9:40.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
You should stop recording, pa.
Okay, ma'am.